What if we could predict the future of spacecraft materials? An intriguing thought, isn't it? Traditionally, the construction of spacecraft has relied on materials such as aluminum, titanium, and carbon fiber. These materials have served us well, but they have their limitations. Aluminum, for instance, is lightweight but lacks the required strength for certain space missions. Titanium, on the other hand, is stronger but considerably heavier. Carbon fiber, while both light and strong, is difficult to work with and can be quite brittle. Durability is another concern. The harsh conditions of space can degrade these materials over time, limiting the lifespan of our spacecraft. But what if we could overcome these challenges? What if we could design materials that are lighter, stronger, and more durable than anything we've seen before? And what if we could use artificial intelligence to do it? Now, imagine if we could overcome these limitations with the help of artificial intelligence. Enter the world of AI-powered materials, a revolutionary approach to spacecraft design. Imagine a universe where materials are not just chosen, but crafted with precision and purpose. This is the realm of AI-powered materials. They're not just any materials, they're game changers. Born from the union of advanced machine learning algorithms and material science, they promise to revolutionize the way we build for the cosmos. These materials are designed by algorithms that simulate and predict material properties, resulting in creations that can be lighter, stronger, and more durable than their traditional counterparts. Imagine heat shields that can withstand higher temperatures, structural components that are more resilient, all while reducing the weight of the spacecraft, enhancing its speed and fuel efficiency. The future of space exploration lies not just in the stars, but in the very materials that will get us there. AI-powered materials could be the game changer we've been waiting for. So, what makes AI-powered materials so special? Well, the magic lies in their unique features. One of these is the ability to self-repair.